Today's video is going to be a little bit different. Let's go outside. So, when I was young, music was such a beautiful part of my life, but I played it inside my room. I played it by myself on the piano. Little by little, I got to take my music a little bit outside. I got to share that part of myself with the world, whether it was through my parents having a party or playing at some sort of assembly. But it wasn't until I went outside. I remember it was my parents' backyard. I sat on their back deck and I brought out probably it was a harmonica or a recorder, and I started making music for the world. And I realized there was a different rhythm. And so what I offer you now is a summer challenge. There are 8 weeks in the summer. I challenge you, regardless of your skill level, to take your instrument to another room. If you're used to playing in a little studio, turn the chair around, go outside, go to a porch, go to a park. My way of doing it was going to my parents' backyard, then going to an empty soccer field, then going to a park bench before slowly starting to share my music. So again, wherever you are in your journey, as soon as you go outside, you realize there might be a rhythm to the world. There might be cars passing by. There might be people walking. For me, I remember seeing the trees sway. And so whatever tempo we're used to in our usual space, if there are trees swaying, my suggestion, again, regardless of your skill level, if you're just getting acquainted with the left hand, play an oompa rhythm to the rhythm of the trees. Just 2 chords. But again, playing with nature. As soon as we go outside, our eyes look up. If you're at a more advanced level, if you're able to play songs, go outside and play on a balcony, play on a park bench. This is for accordions, but if you're learning ukulele, if you're learning whatever instrument it is, take it outside, because as soon as you go outside, you get a different rhythm. And of course, you might meet people. People might make requests. What a beautiful way to share yourself, to add to the world, to add beauty and art to the world by sharing your music. And there's more. So we usually have monthly challenges on Accordion Love that are open only to Accordion Love students. This summer, I would love for you to share your accordion with the world. So there are 8 weeks starting July, ending in September, and every week I'm going to choose 3 people and send them Accordion Love merchandise, exclusive shirts that you can't buy anywhere, just for sharing your practice that's happening outside of your usual accordion space. So again, the details. This is open to everyone, not just Accordion Love students. I'd love for you to take a video of yourself playing music in a place, whether it's at a cafe, whether it's at a community center, whether it's your balcony, and just playing. And right away, your eyes will go to something that's moving, to an ant right there, to a dog, to a person. Share that video, tag my account, Accordion Love Music, on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube. I'll watch every single performance, and I'll choose 3 people every week. I'll rebroadcast your video on my account and send you that exclusive Accordion Love shirt, no cost to you. Again, it's such a beautiful instrument that we have. It's portable. Let's take it outside, especially in the summer, and share it with the world. It doesn't have to be people. It can be the world, it can be plants, it could be the sidewalk, it could be the clouds in the sky. That's my message to you. Enjoy your summer.